Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear students and viewer, how are you? Hope you are very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. Welcome to my class, class 7, English second paper. This is Anwar Hossain, assistant teacher, Birganj Pilot Gov High School, Birganj, Dinajpur. Dear students, let us watch a video.
শেখো তাহলে তুমি শেখার জন্য আজকে মোবাইল দিয়ে কিনে দেবো কিন্তু দাদু ভাই আমি তো মোবাইল দিয়ে কিভাবে কার্টুন ভিডিও তৈরি করতে হয় জানি না
তাহলে দাদু ভাই চলো আমরা মোবাইল কিনতে যাই এবং অনলাইনে যেটা ইউটিউব চ্যানেলের ভিডিওটি দেখে দেখে কার্টুন ভিডিও বানানো শিখি।
যাবো দাদু ভাই তবে দাঁড়াও এই চ্যানেলের ভিউয়ারদের উদ্দেশ্যে একটা কথা বলে রাখি এদের দাদু ভাইয়েরা আপনারা যারা এখন
Dear students, we saw a video. Here a grandfather and a grandson are talking about a smartphone, but their voice is different. It is not voice sense. Voice sense is a intersense of a sentence without changing meaning. So let us discuss today about voice sense. Part 2. Part 1 we discussed some days ago. Today we shall discuss about voice sense, how to sense voice. Dear students, notice that after the end of the lesson, you will be able to sense subject, sense object, sense participle verb. Notice the structure given below and must write down. Here, active sense, subject plus verb plus object. Example, active voice, I subject, eat verb, rise object. In passive sense, object at first plus auxiliary verb plus principal verb past participle plus by preposition plus object. Example, rice is eaten by me. Me, object form of I. Dear learners, rules of changing voice, active to passive, you must write. The object of the verb in the active voice becomes the subject of the verb in the passive voice. Number 2, the subject of the verb in the active voice becomes the object of the verb in the passive voice. I given Bangla meaning for you. You can see it. Number 3, the main verb is changed into past participle verb. Number 4, verb 2 becomes before the main verb according to tense. Number 5, by preposition comes before object. Here present indefinite tense. Example, active voice, he does the work. Passive voice, the work is done by him. Active, Raju catches fishes in the pond. Passive voice, fishes are caught in the pond by Raju. Raju, third person singular number. So No change. Active voice, he teaches us Bangla. Double object here. One object as, number two object Bangla. You can choose any one object for subject. Here two examples given below. Passive, we are taught Bangla by him. Or English is taught us by him. Example of negative sentence. We do not play cards. Passive, cards are not played by us. Next, interrogative sentence. Does she drink water? Passive, is water drunk by her? Active voice, do they do the sums? Passive voice, are the sums done by them? Active voice, who teaches you English? Passive voice, by whom are you taught English? Here, by whom is alternative of who. Interrogative negative sentence. Doesn't Rakib take tea? Passive voice, isn't it taken by Rakib? Dear learners, modal auxiliary. Can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, had to, ought to, is going to, semi-modals, need, dare, etc. These are modal auxiliary. After modal auxiliary, be verbs come. Structure, object plus modal plus be verb plus verb third form, that's mean past participle plus by preposition plus subject. As example, I can do the work. Passive voice, the work can be done by me. Active, we are going to set up a school. Passive, a school is going to be set up by us. Dear learners, here imperative sentence. Notice the structure. Let plus object plus be verb plus past participle of principal verb. Example, active voice, do the sum. Passive voice, let the sum be done. Active voice, don't tell a lie. Passive voice, let not a lie be told. Active voice, please do the work. Passive, you are requested to do the work. Active, please do not smoke. Passive, you are requested not to smoke. My dear learners, after discussion, I shall give you some questions. You must answer to me. Rakib, stand up and sense the voice. Post the letter. Thank you very much. Shaju, sense the voice. We should do the work. Thank you very much. Rani, please give me a pen. Sense the voice. Thank you very much. Dear learners, you must write down some homeworks. I shall give you now. And next time, you will give me. Number one, take it. Number two, my father gives me a pen. Do they sell rice? I can eat banana. Number three, please tell us a story. Number four, who saves us? My dear learners, I shall give you some advice. You must stay at home and wash your hands with soap or clean with hand sanitizer. Be attentive to your study. I shall meet you next day. No longer today. Allah Hafiz.